So this seems like a pretty simple question because there's only 3 beads in the bag and they are all different colors, so it should be pretty straightforward. But there's a couple things we need to consider. One of them is that they are being replaced once they're selected, and it says they have to be the same color. It doesn't specify which color they need to be, so we need to consider all 3 scenarios where we have probability of a red and a red, or probability of getting a green and a green, and a green, or on the last one where we have probability of a blue and a blue. Okay. Now, in this case right here, there's 3 different scenarios there, so really you could just do one of these things and multiply it by 3, but since I already wrote it out here, I'm going to do this. There's a 1 in 3 chance for a red, and since it's being replaced, it's going to be a 1 in 3 chance for the next one. So all these things have that same probability of happening. Oh, that's an addition there. And 1/3. So this is the same thing as 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9, which is going to be 3/9, okay, which is the same thing as 1/3. Okay, so 33.3 repeating percent chance.